this video, we're going to take a look at how to add flashcards to StudySocius. And to do that, we want to first be logged in or sign in. So we click on sign in. And of course, it brings you to your handy dandy dashboard where you have an overview of all the things that you need to accomplish, really organized, and a way to track your progress. So to actually add the flashcards, you want to click on flashcards. And I already have one that has been created, but the way you want to do this is you want to start off by adding a new collection. So you click on add new collection. And let's say this was for a pharmaceutical dosage forms course, and we want to remind ourselves about the excipients and their functions. So you're going to click on save, and there you have your collection. So now you need to add a card or several cards in each collection. So let's just do that. So we click on add card. And the first one will be binder. And now to open the option for you to put in the other side of your flashcard. So what is a binder? What's the function? So the function of the binder is to help hold ingredients of a tablet together. Example, you have HPMC, and so you can put that in there, and you have your options to format. You can change the color, make it bigger, whatever it is that helps you process or study better. So I'm just going to click on save. And now if you go back to the flashcards and you go in here, click on edit, for example, you can change the title if you didn't like that. But if you wanted to see all your content at a glance, you click on this icon right here, and you'll see that we have one item in there, which is the binder, which we just added. Of course, you can edit it. So if you click on edit, you can go back and make some corrections or emendations and save it. Then you're back to your flashcard dashboard. So in this view, you can also add another card. Let's add a few more. So we'll add a disintegrant. And what is the purpose of a disintegrant? It promotes the breakup of a tablet or a capsule into smaller particles that dissolve more rapidly. And so you have an example as well. We click on save. Just go back to the list. Okay, so that was saved. Let's add a few more. All right, so we've had the opportunity to add a few in there. And now what you can do, of course, is always you can click on edit it or delete or add a new card. So now let's actually see how it works when you use the flashcards. And so you need to go back to the flashcard dashboard and then click on learn. And when you click on learn, there are two ways you can actually use the flashcards. You can use it in this particular mode, or you can go full screen mode, which would take the entire screen. And then also you have the option to shuffle your questions so that they are randomized and they do not just flow in the actual sequence in which you entered your flashcard information. So we're going to look at what it looks like in this interface, and then we'll switch to the full screen mode. So what's a binder? So it tells you at the back, so you could click on next. What's a disintegrant? Click on that. And what's a lubricant? And so on. So now we can also shuffle it. And when we shuffle, it randomly gives you one. So you have a plasticizer. What is that? And then that's the information behind. Let's try again. What's a glidant? So really nice. And you can change the text, color, font size, anything that will help you with your memorization. Now let's go full screen mode. So glidant, then it gives you the answer, and then you could shuffle it again. So as you can tell, it's a very powerful tool that you can use as part of your learning process, and you have a very nice place to put in your flashcards, which is in the same repository that you have for tracking your progress and your productivity for your study goals, your to-do list, your assignments. And it's a wonderful way to just add some additional way to study in your learning process. So that's how you add flashcards in StudySocius. In the next video, I'll briefly talk about how you can use the spreadsheet option in StudySocius.